Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all well. Today we are going to study the third page of the This is Geordie's Pound written by Marjorie K. Inian Rowling. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you ready for the class. I hope you that all of you take the page number 89. And today we are going to study the third page of the Geordie's Pound. And all of you take the page number 89. Let us go to the paragraph. Can I ride back with a mill wheel and see if I can find it? Tell your ma I said you can go. He slided back to the table and sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. He said, Ma pa says I can go bring back the fawn. She held the coffee pot in mid-air. What's fawn? The fawn belonging to the dew we killed. We used the dew liver to draw out the poison and save Pa. And she gasped, well, for pity's sake. Pa says it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Doc Wilson said, that's right, ma'am. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy's right and his daddy's right. Millville said, he can ride back with me. I will help him find it. She set down the pot helplessly. Well, if you will find it your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it. Millville said, come on, boy, we have got to get to the riding. Ma Baxter asked anxiously, you will not be gone long. Geordie said, I will be back before dinner for sure. Millville mounted his horse and pulled the Geordie up behind him. He said to Millville, do you think the fawn's still there? Will you help me find him? Well, find him if he is alive. How do you know it is he? So here is you can find one difficult word, that is slided back, that is walk back, quietly trying not to be noticed. That is you can find in the page here. Okay. So can I ride back with Millville and see if I can find it? Here the Geordie was worried about the little fawn. He wanted to find the fawn and he bring it to home. And Penny allowed the boy to save the little animal. Okay. And it would be ungrateful to leave the fawn to starve. And here Doc Wilson also supported Geordie and he decided to go to the forest and find the dew. And here Millville, in search of fawn, he hoped to back for home for dinner. He said that, Mom, I will come before the dinner, like that. Geordie said, I will be back before the dinner for sure. And Millville mounted his horse and pulled the Geordie up behind it. And he said to the Millville, do you think the fawn's still there? Will you help me find him? So we will find him if he is alive. So here the Doc Wilson says, we will find. Will you help me to find him? He said, we will find him if he is alive. Then he said, he is alive. So then the Geordie said, how you know it is a he? So here is the we completing this paragraph. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.